The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Bucks County in southeast Pennsylvania, central Montgomery County in southeast Pennsylvania, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Montgomeryville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Ivyville ends around 4 p.m., Doylestown and Dropassonia around 4:05 p.m., Gardenville and Richboro around 4:10 p.m., Lumberville around 4:15 p.m. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks and Montgomery. The following is a short-term forecast from the National Weather Service.